Now, in this video, we will going to take up one more problem on projections of lines. Problem number 53, how to solve by using AutoCAD software. So the top view of a line capital AB, 80 mm long, measures 65 mm, and the length of the front view is 50 mm. The end capital A is in HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Draw its projections. So to do that, first we'll go for AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So first we'll go for the command limits. So specify lower left corner, this is 0, 0 default, and upper right corner 297, 210, then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. And again you drag the mouse towards the top side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297. You select this vertical line and offset to the left side, and then go to offset, take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extend and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line, between these two, similarly between these two. Now we go for layer. So first click on new layer, type the layer by name XY. Again click on new layer, type the layer by name top view. Click on new, type the layer by name front view. Click on new, type the layer by name true length. Click on new, type the layer by name locus. Next, we will go for the layer 0 line weight as 0.05, because the projector line should be of 0.05, which will be on layer 0. Then the layer X5 is going to have on 0.13. Then top view will going to have a thickness of about 0.5. And the front view will going to have the line weight as 0.5, that is the thickness of the front view. Then the true length will going to have the thickness as 0.3. And locus line will going to have 0.05. Then again click on OK. Then the locus line type will going to have continuous. You just click on load. Then come down to this and type dash dot and say OK. And click on dash dot and say OK. Then we have the colors. True length will going to have the index color as 30. Then the front view will going to have a magenta color, and the top view will going to have the red color, and say OK. And then close this. Now we will try to do this drawing. So to do that, first we are going to draw the XY line and offset this distance by 15 mm to the down. So first to do that, first we are going to draw an arbitrary line of some distance and go to offset, take the distance as 15, select this and offset to the downward direction. Then go to line, take nearest point on this and draw perpendicular to this. Then you just go to fillet between these two. Now once you get this, now we need to take the top view distance. So the top view distance is 65. So you just go to offset, take the distance as 65, select this line and offset in the top view as 65, and then go to fillet between these two. Then go to circle, take int of this and take the radius 80. Then go to extend this circle, this is the boundary, and object to extend as this. Then go to break between these two here and from here to here. Then go to erase this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw int of this. Then similarly you take line int of this and draw a horizontal line. So now we have the true length here. So again we want to offset this the 50 mm in the front view. So you just come down to this, go to offset, take the distance as 50. So from the front view you offset this, and then go to circle, take int of this and mark this distance as 80. Then go to extend this is the boundary and object to extend as this. Then go to break this circle in the counterclockwise direction and from here to here. Then go to erase this, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this and take here. Now we will going to consider extend this on this side and also on this side. Then go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to line, take int of this. So take intersection point of this. So we have the front view. Go to trim, trim between these two. Object to trim as this. Then go to erase. Similarly, you go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this now. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this and then take end point of this. Then go to trim between this line and this line, this arc and this side arc. Then go to erase, erase between these two. Then go to break, break on this side and also on this side, and break on this side and break on this side. So this distance is xy. So we have this. Then go to zoom, window, you take this. Now once you get this, now we need to change to the different line weights. So first you go to the layer xy and switch to layer xy, then escape, then you take true length between these two, then go to layer, make that as true length, then switch on the line weight display, then you just go to this, go to layer, make that as front view, then you click on this, go to layer, make that as top view, then you have all other lines, so you just click on these two, then go to layer, make that layer as locus and change the line weight as 10. So now we will going to go for DDIM, change the modify, go to primary units, you make it as 0, then go to text, you make this as 3, align with the dimension line, text placement is above, offset from dimension line as 2, then go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and then go to lines, you offset from the origin as 2, and say OK, and then say close. Now we will go for dimension. So take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. So you're going to get 15. Now I want to take the top view. So go to int of this and take intersection point of this. So we're going to get 65 here in the top view. Then in the front view, it should be 50. So take int of this and take intersection point of this. So you're going to get the front view as 50. So that is what we have shown here. So the 50 I have shown here, so that it comes here, so that it will going to be 50 here. So then we need to show the dimension of this, that is the true length. So you'll go for int of this and you take int of this. So you give 80 mm. Then go to escape, then go to break this here. Now we'll go for dtext and you mark this as x. Sorry, go to dtext, select some point, take the height as 3 and you mark this as x and you mark this as y and you mark this as vp and you mark this as hp. So here you mark this as capital A and here it has capital B and here it has locus of B and here also locus of B, and here it is capital B in bracket, then here it is capital A in bracket. So here put on the, so here it is A dash, here it is B dash, here it is B1 dash, then it is B1, then it is B, then it is B2, here it is B2 dash, and all other dimensions. Then you just move. So you move X, you move VP, you move HP, you move A dash, here you move capital A. So here you dtext, you type capital A here, So then move A, you move this capital A, then B, then B2, then capital B, then locus of B, then B1, then B2 dash, then B1 dash, then capital B, then B dash, then locus of B. So now here the directions of rotations we have leader, take nearest. So you take tangentially to this arc, annotation option none. Then leader, take nearest. So here go to leader, take nearest. On this you take tangentially to the arc, annotation option none. Then go to ortho mode, then go to leader, take nearest, and you select this, notation option none. Then go to leader, take nearest. On this side, annotation option none. And go to explode. On this side, on this side, on this side, on this side. Then go to erase. Erase this. Now we need to write for dimension arcs. So dim. So I go for angular. You select between these two. So you just go to text, give space, enter. So dimension arc line location. Similarly, angular, select between these two. Again go to text, give space, enter, dimension arc line location. Similarly, angular, select between these two. Go to text, give space, arc line location. Then angular, select between these two. So again you go to text, give space, place it wherever you want. Then go to M text. So go to empty. So here you just click over this. So here you come down to format, select symbol as the text font. So type A, small letter A, alpha, then go to copy this here, switch off the ortho mode. You take this here and you take this here and you take this here. Then go to DD edit. So you take theta, small q, theta, then you take this as phi, small f, and this as beta. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem. Now we need to change the, go to VP, A dash, B1 dash, locus of B, and B dash. Then go to layer, make that as front view, then HP, small letter A, B, B2, locus of B, B1. Then go to layer, make that as top view. Then you click on A, you click on this A, this B, and this B, and go to color, make that color as blue. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. Since you have not given anything to find out the inclinations, so hence we need not have to find those inclinations. And this is similar to this problem. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem using AutoCAD software. Thank you.